Another shot of the university here. You see the neighborhood's right across the street. And I guess this university trains some of the most advanced engineers and the people that support and repair the assembly lines with all of the multinational companies that set up here in Tijuana, Mexico. So what school are we at here today?
Universidad Tecnologica de Tijuana.
So this is a university,
This is a university.
that basically specializes in preparing engineers and people in mechatronics students
Exactly.
to work in the factories here.
Factories, yeah, and also in government staff.
Okay, and what is your name?
My name is Carlos Navarro.
Okay, and what is your position
Soy
here?
el director de mecatrónica de la Universidad Tecnologica.
Oh, okay. So you administrate this program.
We got around 32 universities, all the country, and we are in the area of technical.
Okay.
This university is based all the students' plans and everything based in one technological based French
Model,
system,
right.
and that means that we got trying to tropicalize to Mexico.
Okay.
In some aspects, and the first one is to put in balance the theory against the things to do.
Okay.
We got now our model is 30-70. Practice 70, theory 30.
And actual learning here is 30%, and 70% inside the maquiladoras.
Well, inside of here in our facility, but we got one quadrimestre that we are going to put all the time.
Right.
In the maquiladora. They don't report to us, they report directly to the maquiladora.
Well, so this sounds like even a German model, something
it's
on the
too
same.
close to the European model.
Yes, very
They are too close.
hands-on inside rather than inside the classroom.
Oh, hands-on 70%,
Yeah.
30% in the.
I like it. It's a good model.
It's a
Yeah.
good one because mostly of the maquiladoras in Tijuana, they love this model, because the people this student here and they make practices after they start to work since the first day.
Now, do the students that work in the maquiladoras, right, the other 70%, do they get paid?
They get paid.
They get paid.
They get paid.
Okay.
In that quadrimester, all the students gets one final report.
Right.
Where they'll use it to get his degree.
Wow. And how many students attend this university here?
Around 4,000.
4,000.
Yeah.
And are you familiar with her school?
Yeah, very familiar.
Okay.
With Cecites, we got a very close relationship because mostly of their students came in here.
Oh, so a lot of the students do come here.
Yeah.
And the type of jobs the kids can get in technology, is it pretty wide open? Is it in demand?
There is a lot of demand here.
Right.
We got 80 to 90% of insertion in the job.
80 to 90% of the kids get jobs when they finish.
In his first 6 months, when they being graduated.
Okay. Question. I know about 10 years ago, a lot of the maquiladoras were closing and going to China. Is it my understanding they're returning now?
Yeah, mostly of the maquiladoras, they are returning
To Mexico.
To Mexico.
Why is that?
Not only by the intensive labor,
Right.
by the capability of the training person.
Oh, so why are they went to China and now they're coming back?
They're coming back.
So again, what are the reasons industry is returning back to the border?
Well, mostly the closenship in United States and Mexico,
Okay,
and also the qualified persons that exist in here in technical aspects.
okay, all right. So I know her school is a pretty good school, and it seems to be fairly supported by the government because of what the kids are going to be doing, because they support the maquiladores and things like that, or?
We wish that.
Well, I saw a CNC machine in there, and,
Oh, yeah.
you know, I mean, this is not something you see commonly in...
Commonly. Yeah, well, mostly both models they are directly focuses in the technical aspects of the
Right.
maquiladores
Right.
here, and that brings with a lot of support in equipment.
Right. So, oh, go ahead, stay there. So we're walking in one of the laboratories here, and you know, what type of, this seems fairly advanced, what type of machine is this, and why would they teach the kids to use this?
Okay, this machine is used to teach to the students how control variables like a pressure, like a temperature, and flux, liquid flux.
And they would use, this is commonplace in the maquiladores.
Common places in the maquilador. This is some bulbs for different types. They are automatic, semi-automatic, and mechanical.
Mechanical, okay.
This is the idea is that the student can teach whatever technology they got in hands.
Right.
Okay? Because they don't know if they are going to go in one advanced maquiladora or in old maquiladora.
Right, right.
And they are using a lot of things like old maquiladora.
Right, right.
And they are using a lot of things like this.
But some of the maquiladores here, I would imagine, are probably some of the most advanced in the world, right?
They are. Basically in the electronics.
In the electronics, in Samsung.
Samsung, and there is another one that they are making medical stuff.
Yes,
Like,
Johnson & Johnson medical one up in on Ota. I saw that. Yes.
They got in the state of art type of material.
Yeah.
For medical purposes.
Yes.
They made something like